Hello guys, and welcome to a video where I'm going to show you guys how you can implement ChatGPT in your Excel. So in Excel, there are some people who are like beginners. They don't know how they can add or auto sum in Excel. Okay, so you can actually get all these instructions from ChatGPT. No problem with that. Okay, so you can see here I have some numbers here that I've written here, and if I want to auto sum these numbers, I don't know how to do it, right? If you're a beginner, you won't know how to do it. So you can actually ask ChatGPT how you can actually do that. So how are you going to ask ChatGPT? Just go to the ChatGPT new chat. I'm going to assume that you already have an account on ChatGPT, and when you have an account, you can just simply type here how to auto sum in Excel. So once you type in that, they're gonna give us the instructions. Okay, now it says here to auto sum in Excel, follow these steps. Okay, select the cell where you want the sum to appear, click on the auto sum button, which looks like a Greek sigma symbol located in the editing group of the home tab. Okay, so let's go to the home tab, and this is the home tab that we have here, and we're gonna find the auto sum, which is here. You can see here this is the auto sum, and we're going to select some cells first. So the instruction says select the cell where you want the auto sum to appear. Okay, so Excel will automatically select what it thinks and its range of cells you want to auto sum up. Okay, if the selection is correct, simply press enter to complete the function. The sum of the selected cells will appear in the selected cell. If Excel doesn't select the correct range of cells, click the drag over the cells to you want to include in the sum. Press enter to complete the function. All right, so let's try it out. We're going to go to Excel. So these are the numbers that we have, and I'm going to not only select one. If I want to just select one, I can just select this one and then just click on auto sum, and if I press enter, you can see this is the value. Okay, so I want to select every single one of these so that I get a full value. All right, so I've selected it and I'm going to click on auto sum. Now you can see that it's changed, right? So if I want to, I pressed it here, and now if I give auto sum, you can see that it just drops down like that. So if I select, let's say, you can see if I didn't select anything, that's why this is made like this. Okay, so I'm going to select, let's say, auto sum and type in 5 and comma 10 and then press enter. You can see here it's summed up to 15, right? And if I want to do this, like I want to add all of these, let's say 5 6 7. All right, so now I'm just going to take this. Now you can see that it's automatically changed. All right, so you can select the auto sum here. Now you can see that it's changed to 30. All right, 15 plus 15 is 30. So that is the function of auto sum, and this is not the only one that you can get from Excel. You can also check in with, let's say, if you want to fix a div error in Excel, you can actually ask ChatGPT how you can do that. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT how to fix div error in Excel, question mark, and press enter. So it's explaining us that the div error is in Excel occurs when you try to divide a number by 0 or any empty cell. Here are some ways to fix the div error. Okay, replace the empty cell or 0 value if the cell you're dividing by contains any an empty value or 0. you can replace it with a number or a formula that produces a non-zero result. This will prevent div error from appearing. Okay, use an if statement to check for 0. So you get the point that you can actually get all of these instructions from ChatGPT just how you want it. Okay, so replace the empty cell or 0 value if the cell you're dividing by contains an empty value or 0. All right, so if we just replace this and then follow these steps, you can see here, so you can actually use this formula how it is. Now another thing is, if you want to like filter data on Excel, like if I ask how to filter data in Excel, question mark. Filtering data in Excel allows you to selectively display rows of data based on certain criteria. Here's how to filter data in Excel. Select the data you want to filter. Let's do this step by step. So I've selected this one. All right, and then click on the data tab in the ribbon, and click on the data tab. Let's go to the data tab here, and we're going to find next, click on the filtered button in the sort and filter group. This will add filter arrows to the header row to your data. Okay, so let's find the filter. You can see here, this is the filter. Now you can see there's a drop down here. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT says next. Click on the filter arrow and choose the criteria you want to filter by. For example, you might choose to filter by a certain text string, date range, or numeric value. Click OK to apply filter. Only the rows that meet the filter criteria will be displayed. Okay, to remove the filter, click on the data tab again, and then click on the clear button to in the sort and filter group. Okay, so let's go and apply this. So we already applied the filter, and we're going to select I'm just going to select this one or this. Okay, so we've selected all. Okay, and if I select only this, let's click on it. Now you can see that 15 is disappeared, and if we want it back, we can just click on that, and here you can see that it gets. Now if we just want to remove the filter again, we can just click on here, it goes away. Or if we just filter it like this and click on, let's say it says to click on clear, but the clear option is not available now, so we're just going to click on filter, it just goes away. Okay, so that's basically how you implement ChatGPT on Excel, and it's really helpful for beginners who doesn't know what to do in Excel. They can actually find out how they can use Excel in different ways. Okay, so that's actually how ChatGPT can help you. Okay, ChatGPT is very useful for guys who are beginning in this course, who are beginning to learn these courses. Okay, that ChatGPT can help you, and ChatGPT currently is in its beta form, so you can actually use ChatGPT for free. All right, so no problem in that. So I hope you guys understood how you can actually use ChatGPT like this, and I hope you guys implement this to yourselves and let us know how you get the results. All right, so if you like the if you like the responses, you can actually give them a feedback like yeah, it was accurate. This actually helps out the whole AI system to understand how people are liking their content. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys, and have a nice day. I will see you in another lesson. All right.